Notion versus ClickUp. Which one is better? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss which one is better, either Notion or ClickUp. So basically, Notion and ClickUp are two of the biggest names in the game. But which one is right for you? In today's comparison, we'll break down the features, strengths, and pricing to help you make the best choice. Both Notion and ClickUp are packed with powerful tools, but they cater to different needs. So starting with Notion, it shines when it comes to documentation and wikis. The addition of AI enhances its capabilities, allowing you to generate action items, summarize pages, and integrate with apps like Google Drive and Slack. It offers fully customizable databases and pages, and best of all, you can start using it for free. Notion also provides various templates to help you organize your work efficiently. Its clean and minimalistic design makes everything feel intuitive and simple to navigate. On the other hand, ClickUp is built for advanced project management. It's designed for teams for all sizes, offering a robust set of tools like automation, task dependencies, time tracking, dashboards, goal setting, and much more. ClickUp provides structured workspaces that makes it ideal for managing complex workflows. When it comes to ease of use, Notion's interface is sleek, minimalistic, and highly customizable. However, it does come with a learning curve. ClickUp, in contrast, provides a wide range of features upfront, which can be overwhelming at first but incredibly powerful once mastered. If you're new to project management tools, ClickUp may feel a bit complicated at the start, whereas Notion keeps things more user-friendly and straightforward. Notion offers a free plan, but if you need more functionality, the Plus plan costs $10 per member per month, unlocking unlimited blocks, file uploads, and database customization. Higher tier plans like the business and enterprise options range from $15 to $20 per user per month. ClickUp's unlimited plan is slightly cheaper at $7 per month, providing storage space, custom field charts, AI tools automation, and much more. The business plan costs $12 per month, while the business Plus plan is $19, with enterprise plan available for large organizations. ClickUp seems to offer more features at lower cost, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious teams. So, which tool is right for you? So, choose Notion if you need a simple yet structured workspace, or want a flexible note-taking and knowledge management tool, or you prefer customizable for personal or solo use. And you can go with ClickUp if you work in a team or manage complex projects, need advanced tools like automation, integration, and time tracking, or you require features like whiteboards, reminders, charts, and dashboards. So both Notion and ClickUp are fantastic productivity tools, but the best choice depends on your specific needs. If you prefer a minimal and easy-to-use platform, Notion is a great option. However, if you need a feature-rich project management solution, ClickUp might be the better fit. Plus, it offers more for less at the basic paid level. So, which one do you prefer? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.